Hey guys, Dotson guys here at MarineMax in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a new listing of ours. This is a Scout 255 LXF. This boat is in full hull shark gray. You'll see our integrated bow windlass system. That's standard on the 255 moving up. Built-in rub rail with stainless steel insert. As we move to the back, we've got it paired with twin Yamaha digital shifting 150s. We've got a little buddy there, Maxwell. This boat has twin swims on each side of the transom. Standard trim tab system as well. Boarding ladder on the starboard side with a transom walk-through. This boat does have the ski tow. We'll take a look at the rest of the boat from the inside. Alrighty guys, now that we're in the cockpit, I'm going to show you the standard leaning post. So it's got flip bolsters in the front, but while we're looking in the back, I'll show you the tackle prep station. So tackle drawers in there, as well as plier and needle nose plier and leader hooks there. Igloo cooler down below, rod holders and cup holders on the top, and then we have the standard pull-out aft bench seat that stows away. We are fishing or for entertaining. We have easy access to our systems. Great place for a stern anchor, as you can see below. We also, on the walkthrough coming from the transom here, we also have additional tackle boxes. Easy clean outs for our scuppers there. On the port aft corner here, we have the live well. Rod holders and cup holder across the back again. And we also have this boat equipped with the Fender Pro quick disconnect fender pins. So you'll see those two on each side. We have the rocket launchers on the hardtop added to this one. This boat is equipped with the upgraded stereo system, so you'll see the hardtop speakers here as well as on the floor of the hardtop. Subwoofer down at the bottom of the console. We have the 10-inch Garmin integrated with our Yamaha system and our Yamaha display. We have trim tabs with indicator switch, tiltable helm with our standard Lumar steering wheel, digital throttle and shift from Yamaha, and as well as our LED lit push buttons there. You have your hardtop lights up top as well as a glove box. And as we move around, we'll show you inside the lid. This boat has a full boat cover, which is down there in the packaging, as well as a integrated porcelain head and our systems access and distribution panel. Moving forward, built-in coaming rails, dual loungers on each side. I'm 6 foot for reference. Forward speakers and storage access under both sides. A great place for our safety equipment. Underneath here on the floor, we have additional storage that goes down to about my knee, so it's nice and big. Storage locker there. You have the standard cooler box right here in the front of the console. Enough seating for two. Cup holders on the back of these armrests. Moving to the front, I like to call this, or my wife does, the mimosa bar. So you have a pull-out table, and then you have a cooler box down below, nice and tall for a mimosa. So in the front you have the standard windlass, and then we have our push buttons on each side, and as well as we upgraded this boat with the upgraded rod holder cup holders to the front. So if the customer would like to add a bow sunshade in the future, it's easily accommodated. Hope you guys enjoyed your tour of our 255 LXF from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Dotson Geis here at MarineMax in Charleston. Please give us a call at 843-747-1889. Thanks for watching.